There may be times when you'd like to take notes during a video. A teacher may have assigned it, or perhaps you're a teacher assigning a video to your students, and you want them to be able to jot down notes according to where they are in the video. Here's a quick example.
So if we have a triangle, and the triangle has to be a right triangle.
So right off the bat, I may realize that when I'm learning about the Pythagorean theorem, that it's important that I remember that it is applied only to right triangles. So I'd like to make a note of that as I'm watching the video. In order to do that, I need an extension called TurboNote. So I'm going to go to the Chrome Web Store. And do a search for TurboNote. This is it, this first result, so I'm going to click Add to Chrome. And you can see that a little icon pops up. That's the new TurboNote icon. And now I can go back to my video. And I'm going to refresh this page. Notice I'm on second 44. So when I refresh the page, I'm just going to go back to 44 seconds in the video. And TurboNote wants me to go through a little tutorial.
Have a triangle, and the triangle has to be a right triangle.
All right, so now I'm going to come over. I can open the notes in one of two ways. I can click the icon here, or TurboNote places this double red arrow, and I can click that to open this window. I'm going to type my note that the Pythagorean theorem only works for right triangles. And when I hit enter, you'll see that that note pops down into my notes list. I'm going to move ahead just to have a couple of examples. Here I can see that a right angle is a 90-degree angle. And I hit enter again. So there I have my two notes. One of the nice things is if I want to go back, let's say I see here that Pythagorean theorem only works for right triangles. But if I want to see that displayed in the video again, if I click on that note, you can see that the note pops up.
Right triangle.
And the video goes right back to that 44 seconds where I can see exactly what that means. In this case, it may be simple, that what a right triangle is, but there may be times when it will help me to actually see which part of the video addresses the note that I created. So I have my notes. When I click on them, they open the note and go back to the portion of the video I'd like to see. I can also share this so that it doesn't disappear when I create it. There are ways for me to save it. If I click on this share icon, it will produce a link, and if I send that link either to a teacher or to myself, I can click on that link and it will bring me right back to this video and pop up all my notes again. So it has a pretty good application and a pretty good way to share. And you might find that there are uses for having these notes throughout a video.